Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by finding the app. That's faster than guessing. Swipe to the app library and type photos. You can tap and drag it back to your home screen. Once done, check that it launches. If the icon isn't present at all, open the App Store and search Photos, reinstall it. Make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID, otherwise, purchases or app history won't match, which could prevent immediate restoration. You should now verify system settings that can hide apps. Go to Settings, then Screen Time and Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure installing apps and photos access are allowed. Next, open iCloud settings and confirm iCloud Photos is enabled if you rely on Cloud Sync. This ensures your library returns. After reinstalling the Photos app from the App Store, restart your iPhone to finalize system integrations and let iOS rebuild thumbnails and indexing for faster access. Finish by updating iOS. An out-of-date system can block app behavior. Go to Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Software Update, install any updates, and then check Photos. If icons remain absent, reset home screen layout. This puts the Photos icon back where Apple expects it. If thumbnails or albums fail to appear, sign out and back into your Apple ID or perform a force restart. This clears temporary caches and forces iCloud to resync, which usually resolves missing content problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.